two things. So Brian, you've given everybody. But as a principal, there is always a policy that when you excel, we reward you. I don't know when we started this vibe, but the official one is here. May you please come forward?
Wow. Yes.
Token of appreciation to inform you that welcome to the world of those who have gotten results. This is also an opportunity to tell you that another record needs to be set, because ours is not a one-hit wonder. You have to be part of us all the time. This is an expression from the office of the principal and the management, the school management committee, that you've given so many envelopes. This one is really big. Please enjoy when your time still lasts. Thank you very much and God bless you.
Because of time, I have done my part from the bottom of the heart. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Tears of joy. Tears of joy.
What was that envelope also? Thank you.
Okay. Dear members of staff, thank you so much. Let's come back. Let's come back. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to take the opportunity to thank our dear head teacher for the wonderful speech. Message well delivered to all of us. Raymond Kalanzi.
Clean. Swallow. Gate 4, please just come forward. Amaziga, where is Masanga good? Play that.
We are a chosen generation. We've been called to show His excellence.
I've also now all our Dr. Namala. Miss Akos Big. Mr. This one goes to our school bus. Thank you so much. Department and another one for being the best acting deputy curriculum. Congratulations. And this one is getting 2 envelopes. One for Omoda James Peter in recognition of his outstanding performance that contributed to exceptional academic success of the 2024 primary 7 class. Congratulations, Mr. Omoda. Primary 7 class. Chairperson. Lydian. Miss Victoria.